Modernly Kitchen. Favorite family right now in the kitchen. Give you guys the keys to keep your kitchen blessed. Stress today. Abby, can I talk? Now go ahead, the floor is yours. Go ahead. I'm sure they don't care at all about what this review is about. Guys, we have another tech review for you guys. She's still at it. I just had to switch that up because obviously she was having a little too much fun with mom.
I can't help it. Fun.
Right, you're fun.
Yeah.
Bubbly.
Bubbly.
New glasses, love it. All the joking aside, we are here with another tech review for you guys, giving you an in-depth review like we do so well to help keep your kitchen blessed. On today's episode, we're actually gonna be doing a full review over the Full Star vegetable chopper. This thing is like magic. Hold it up like magic. Hold it up. You actually make noise, I made the noise. As far as preparing with salads, salsas, onion, garlic, anything of that nature, preparing with this has become a dream.
I got this about 3 months ago and I use this so much only because my knife cuts aren't quite perfect. You want to make sure all of your onions, your carrots and celery are the same size so they cook evenly. As a mom, anything I can get in, literally cut down the time on it. Like, I'm in for it.
What is going on? So today we're gonna give you guys a breakdown of the pros, the cons, what we liked, what we didn't like, and as well as should you buy it. But before we get to that video, please make sure to drop a like on this video as well as subscribe to the channel if you are new. Also, follow the chef right here at Chef Kirsty on Instagram so you can stay up to date on all the kitchen recipes that we have coming to you guys. And you know, you can follow me too, Izzy Lee Media. I mean, I'm not that special.
Yes, you are.
I'm the eye candy. The Full Star chopper has been literally a godsend in the kitchen. Like, no BS, my man's been earning his keep. Powerful, compact, and convenient, the Full Star vegetable chopper is an all-in-one kitchen tool. Whether you're working with salads, salsa, or just dicing up onions and garlic, it doesn't even matter. It delivers fast and consistent results. Its space-saving design eliminates the need for bulky equipment in small kitchens, and boy, that catch tray is clutch to ensure you keep messes to a minimum. Also, what's cool is that the clear body lets you monitor progress as you cut up carrots, cucumbers, squash, zucchini, and spices like ginger to about 4 cups, so you never overproduce the produce. Get it? Produce. Man, y'all know that shit was fun. Also, no plugs here. The chopper does not require electricity, so basically you can use it just about anywhere. The chopper is also made of impact-resistant ABS plastic, so it withstands the rigors of a busy kitchen. Now, I'm not saying you should go outside and throw it off the top of your roof to test out the plastic resistance, but look, it's strong for what it's supposed to be. Now let's talk about those features. It comes with 3 interchangeable blades that let you julienne, chop, and slice vegetables with ease. It comes with rust-resistant, heavy-duty 420 stainless steel, which retains that razor sharpness for crisp, smooth cutting and grating. A soft handle with rubberized TPU, which enhances leverage, while the non-skid base ensures stability during use. Also, the storage lid has integrated pistol teeth, so basically your hands can live to fight another day after chopping. With one swift lid-closing motion, your vegetables and your fruits are sliced, diced, and chopped to perfection. But it could take some extra elbow grease to push that thing on through. So you might need to hit the gym before you hit the kitchen. And when you're finished, you can just add the Full Star vegetable chopper to the top rack of your dishwasher for easy cleanup. I will say, however, that the blades do get a little hard to clean, especially if you're chopping onions and garlics. Pieces can get stuck in the blades, and those things can be a little deadly when trying to clean by hand. I'm serious, not joking. Honestly, this device kicks ass, and it's crazy how something so simple could make such a huge impact in the kitchen. So review! On the positive end, it has 3 interchangeable blades for full range of chopping, is rust resistant, razor sharp, has a soft grip handle with resistant ABS plastic, has a sleek design and a small and compact, and also is dishwasher safe. On the negative end of the spectrum, however, this can be a little hard to push down from time to time, especially if you have some larger objects needing to be chopped. Also, it can be deadly to clean by hand, so be careful with that. Something else we forgot to mention, not necessarily a con per se, but a lesson nonetheless. Ladies and gentlemen, never try to chop a full onion with this device. It's always best to chop it up a bit first, because the results can be tragic. We ended up breaking one of our blades. Well, not we, I. Again, lesson learned. My bad, babe. Alright guys, so that is all that we have for you guys with the Full Star all-in-one chopper. Honestly, I'm gonna go ahead and give it the Modernly family fist of approval, and even with its drawbacks, it still stands as a great device for you, right?
Yeah,
talking as a chef.
I love it. I'd also like to give this a recommendation. Like, it really does cut down the time. Like having a device like this really makes a difference.
Alright guys, if you liked the video, again, make sure to drop a like on the video as well as subscribe to the channel if you're new. We have a bunch of tech reviews coming out in the future. More analysis, that word, coming in the future for more kitchen appliances. So if you subscribe to the channel, you can expect that. This has been your favorite family in the kitchen. And as always, stay blessed.
Don't stress.
Have you say bye?
Bye.
You say bye?
Bye.
It's so rude. Why are you so rude? It's rude.
She gets it from you.
Thank you guys so much for watching our channel. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to tap the bell icon so you never miss another video. Also, in the midst of getting your kitchen blessed with no stress, why not bless yourselves with some awesome gear? Check out our Martin Lee Kitchen store for some awesome t-shirts and aprons to get you set right. Do it for the culture.